really keen to get going, but before you do anything like jacking your car up, you have to set it into what they call jack mode. Now the reason for this is that your Bentley has got automatically adjusting suspension. It's driven by an air pump and compressor bags that replace the original coil springs that you would have in a normal car. And what happens is when you get jacked up in one side, the car tries to level the car the rest of the way. This can cause an ultimately an expensive repair job. It's really simple to do, and I'll show you how to do this now. Okay, so firstly, just put your ignition on, but not with your foot on the brake, so you just get ACC. If you keep watching the dash up there, you'll see when the symbol, apart from the usual one with the fuel light on, which is always there for me generally, comes on to tell you that the car's in jack mode. To put it in jack mode, you press and hold the suspension and ride height sense switches and hold them. After a short time, you see they're in jack mode. To take it off again, you just repeat the process, holding the buttons down. There you go, it's gone off. Took about 7 seconds. So that was my guide to using jack mode on the Bentley Continental. If you're feeling particularly helpful today, click like, smash a like as they say, subscribe to the channel and set the alerts so that when I bring out some more terrible videos you'll be able to watch them first. Thanks guys, see you next time.